Hello, Anne.
Xin chào.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, how are you, Anne?
I'm fine.
Okay, that's great. So let's start with our lesson for tonight, Anne. So for our lesson tonight, let's start with um this activity here. Okay, so for this activity here, Anne, okay, so you actually have the topic about um yeah, about these pictures. Okay, so of course the first activity that you have to do, Anne, is you have to tell me, okay, about which one, or like the names of each item. Okay, so after giving the name of each item, and your next activity would be to match them up. And so again, the first activity is to write their names or tell me their names. So no need to write and later. Let's just discuss them one by one. But this time, Anne, I want you to match them up. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so let's start with number one. So for
Number one
number one, yeah, can you tell me what is this item right here?
is hat.
Okay, yes, this one is a hat. Correct. Very good. So this time, Anne, can you tell me what does yeah, or what is the match for hat? Which number?
Um, One.
Or we can skip this one first. Let's continue with the next one, Anne. For the next one, so we have here number two. What is number two?
Number two is shoes.
Okay, that's correct. Number two is shoes. Great. So this time, Anne, can you please tell me, okay, what is a match for shoes?
I don't know much.
You don't know the match? Okay, let's put it this way. What do you yeah, what do you use, Anne, with shoes?
I use shoes when I go out.
No, no, no. I mean, like, this one, Anne. Before you wear your shoes, what do you wear first?
Trước khi mang giày, bạn thường mặc gì trước?
I wear socks.
There you go. So, yes, correct answer here is socks, of course. So, next one, Anne, can you continue?
I comb my hair.
Yes. No, no, no. So, socks, so we have the first pair. So, socks and shoes. Okay. So, next one, Anne. What about number three?
Number three is envelope.
That's correct. Okay, number three is envelope. Nice. Okay, so how do we use, or what is like the envelope? What is the pair of envelope and?
Stamp.
Very good. Yes. So envelope and stamp. Nice. Okay, so next one. Can you please read number 4? Can you please tell me your answer for number 4?
The answer number 4 is brush.
Okay, number 4 is a brush, correct. And what's the match for brush?
Um, mm, is soap.
Huh? So, are you
Um,
sure?
no comb.
Okay, yes. This one is comb and. Okay, so comb and brush, we both use them to fix our hair, of course. Okay, nice. Next one, Anne.
Is
What about number 5? What is the pair for knife?
knife.
Ah, yeah, number 5 is a knife, yeah. But what is the pair for the knife?
Is fork.
Okay, yes, that's correct. So the next pair here is fork and knife. Very good. So next one, Anne. Number 6, we got
Mm,
bread.
bread with butter.
Okay, yes, that's correct. So it's bread and butter. Nice. Next one, Anne, number 7.
Fish. Fish with uh, salt.
Fish, fish with salt? No.
Mm, mm,
Like in our previous activity, Anne, what do you eat with fish?
pepper.
No. Why paper? Okay, okay. Here, Anne. Okay, I'll help you out here. So, actually, this one, Anne, is fish and chips. Okay, so
Fish.
chips is the fries. Yeah. But this one, I think like they use the wrong fish because you can see the full body. But the fish and chips, it's usually like fish fillet. Like they use like the just the meat of the fish. Okay. Next one.
Yeah.
How about number 8? What is number 8?
Mm, number 8. I don't know.
Oh, it's okay, okay. Let's skip number 8. Let's move on to number 9. What is number 9?
Number 9 is water.
Okay, number 9 is water. That's correct. And then what is matching with water?
Soap.
Okay, yes, that's correct. So that's water and soap. No, no, no. Sorry, sorry. So water and soap. Next one, Anna. How about number 10, Anne? What is number 10?
Pepper.
Hmm?
Is pepper.
Yes, pepper. What is pair of pepper?
With salt.
Come again. Pepper and
Pepper and salt.
okay, yes, that's correct. So that's pepper and salt. Nice. Okay. Next, so let's move on to number 15, Anne. Okay, I'll give you a hint, Anne. Okay.
Yeah.
How do you call a woman who is getting married?
Bạn dùng từ nào để xưng hô với một người phụ nữ sắp kết hôn?
Mm, uh, Read.
Hmm?
Is read.
A bride? Okay, wait. Okay, wait. Let's change it this one. After getting married.
Sau khi kết hôn.
Miss.
Hmm?
Miss.
Miss? Okay, so here, Anne, I'll help you out, Anne. So it's actually called wife. Do you know this word, wife?
Our wife.
Do you know wife?
Yes.
Okay, so what is the pair of wife, Anne? Can you tell me the pair of wife?
Is husband.
Okay, so which number is husband?
Is 8.
Okay, there you go. So that's husband and wife. Okay, so yeah. So okay, here Anne, what's the pair of hat then?
Mm, Had with uh mm, scarf.
Okay, yes, there you go. So hat with a scarf. Very good, Anne. Okay, so that's for this activity here, Anne. Very good. Now let's talk about Holly's diary, Anne. Okay, so we will be talking about Holly's diary. So first, Anne, you have here like the choices. Okay, so you have to complete Holly's diary here, Anne. So let's listen. Oh, wait, let me show you the whole page so that we can um, identify also the number and the answers here, Anne. Okay, so let's read this one.
One is untidy. Number
Mhm.
2 is angry.
Mom made my mom a bit angry. Correct. Number 3.
Number 3 is excited.
Okay, wait, let me write it down. So I feel very excited. Yes. Next.
Number 4 is worried.
We walked to the restaurant and the rain on the way made us worried. Okay, yes. Next.
Number 5 is noisy.
Okay, number 5 is noisy. Okay, noisy. Next.
Number 6 is hungry.
Correct. Next, number 7.
Number 7 is delicious.
Okay, that's correct.
Number 8 is ill.
Okay, that's ill. Next.
Number 9 is friendly.
Okay. Next one.
Number 10 is better.
That's correct. That's better. Next.
11 is late. And 12 is wait.
Okay. So I think number 4 and number 12 and should be changed because for this one and take note of well it's possible made us worried because um let's say like it's raining, but here Anne in the last one you cannot say I felt wet about that. So you felt worried about being late, Anne, and then because it's raining then you might get wet. So that's number 4. Okay, Anne,
Yes.
are we clear?
Yeah.
Okay, yes. So anyway, this time, Anne, I want you to read Holly's full diary. Go.
Mm, on Saturday afternoon, my best friend Katie came to my house and we did some cooking. We made pizza with olives on them and biscuits too. When we finished, the kitchen was very untidy and that made Mom a bit angry. Then on Sunday, all the family went out for lunch. It was a surprise for Grandma's uh, 80th birthday. Going to the restaurant made Harry and I feel very excited. We couldn't wait to go. We don't often go to restaurants, you see. We walked to the restaurant and the rain on the way made us wet. But we didn't mind because we had umbrellas. In the
Mhm.
restaurant, we laughed and talked a lot, and I think we were a bit too noisy. That was because we had to wait a long time for our food. The smell of the pizza made us very hungry. Then the food arrived, and I had soup, and I ate lots and lots of pizza too, because it tasted delicious. But that evening, all those pieces of pizza made me um, um ill. This
Ill,
morning,
ill.
mom took ill. This morning, mom took me to the doctor's. The doctor was very friendly. She gave me some medicine for my stomach, and that made me feel better. But that means I was a bit late
A bit
for
late
school,
for school.
a bit late for school again, and I felt worried about that. But when I got there, the teacher just said no problem.
Okay, yes, thank you, Anne. So this time, Anne, let's talk about the pictures, Anne. Okay, so we're done reading Holly's story. So this time, Anne, let's take a look this time at the pictures. And then let's match the information here, Anne, about which one is the first, second, and third. So number one, by the way, is already given. So Holly and her friend, they cooked pizza. Okay, so this time, what is number two?
Number 2 is B.
Okay, that's correct. Number two is B. Next.
Number 3 is F.
Number three is F, correct. Next one.
Number 4 is D.
Number four is D. Oh, wait. I think number three is F, Anna. So, wait. Yeah, that's correct. So number three is F. So they went to their grandma's birthday, and then yes, D. So they went out. It was raining. Number four. Number five, Anne.
Number 5 is C.
Mm-hmm. Yes, that's correct.
Number 6 is E.
Okay. Yes, thank you, Anne. So, what about number seven?
Number 7 is A.
Okay, yes, thank you, Anne. So this time, let's talk about being late, Anne, because here Holly's problem is, Holly's problem, Anne, is she was late for school. So how about you, Anne? Were you late for school before?
Yes.
Uh-huh. And what do you do at? Or what do you do, and what does your teacher feel?
Mm, my teacher feel I don't know, but I think she's normal.
Uh-huh. So your teacher feel it's normal. So your teacher was not angry.
Yes.
Okay, yes, thank you. So next one is um what about, have you tried eating a lot, Anne, that your stomach you got stomach ache for eating too much?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. So what did you do then, Anne?
Uh, I go to Pharmacy.
You go to where?
I go to toilet.
You went to the toilet. Okay. And then so you just went to the toilet. You did not go to see a doctor?
Yes.
Okay, yes. Thank you, Anne, for sharing. So this time, Anne, let's move on to the next part then. Okay. So here, Anne, we will do the listening activity this time. Okay, so for the listening activity, Anne, you can just write your answer on your notebook. And then after that, we will check your work. Okay, so number one is already given. So letter B here. So that's what time did this lesson start? So let's listen.
Listening 13.
Can you hear it, Anne?
Yes.
Flyers practice test. Listening part 4. Listen and look. There is one example. What time did the lesson start?
So, Betty, why are you late for my lesson?
Sorry, Mrs. Hall. I had to go to the doctor this morning.
Well, the lesson began at 10:15, and it's 10:30 now.
I'm sorry, but I had to see the doctor at 9:30, and then I came straight to school.
OK, Betty, but I'll need a letter from your mother.
All right, Mrs. Hall.
Can you see the tick? This is an example. Now you listen and tick the box. 1. What is Betty making in her cooking lesson today?
Now, last week we did some good cooking and you all made some very nice pizza. I hope your families enjoyed it.
What are we going to make this week?
Well, it's biscuits this week. And then next week we're going to try making bread.
Can we take them home again, Mrs. Hall?
Yes, Betty, you can.
2. What should Betty get from the fridge?
Now then, Betty, the other children have got everything they need in front of them. So could you go to the fridge and get some eggs?
And do we need milk, Mrs. Hall?
No, not for these biscuits, Betty. Oh, but you do need a bit of butter. You'll find that in the fridge too.
Oh, OK then.
3. What does Betty need to do next?
Before you start, have you washed your hands, Betty? It's very important to have clean hands when you're cooking.
I did that before I came to class, miss.
Good. Now could you get a bowl from that cupboard over there?
OK, Mrs. Hall.
And you need to write all the information about temperature and cooking times in your book. But you can do that later.
All right, Mrs. Hall.
4. What did Betty forget to do?
Did you remember to put some sugar in the bowl, Betty?
Yes, Mrs. Hall.
And a little bit of salt?
Yes, I did that too. But, Mrs. Hall, they don't look very brown.
Well, that's because you didn't turn the cooker on, Betty.
Oh, no!
Don't worry. You can cook them now and come and collect them later.
Thanks, Mrs. Hall.
Okay, so this time, Anne, I
Listening
want
14.
you to...
Listen
Okay, wait.
and
So this time, Anne, I want you to give your answers, Anne, but this time, please answer in a complete sentence. Okay, so let's start with number 1. What is Betty making in her cooking lesson today?
It's A.
Ah, that was the last one that they did, Anne. That was the last one. It was not letter A.
B.
It's actually letter C, Anne. They're going to make bread. Okay. So again, that's letter C. So can you make a complete sentence, Anne? Betty is going to make
Betty is going to make a
bread.
bread cooking lesson.
Okay, yes, thank you, Anne. Next one, number 2. What should Betty get from the fridge?
A.
Okay, yes, that's A, correct. So can you please read letter A, Anne?
Betty should
Speak in full sentence. Betty should get.
Betty should get butter and eggs from the fridge.
Okay, correct. Next, number 3. What does Betty need to do next?
Easy.
Okay, it's letter C. Get the bowl. So can you please read it then?
Betty needs to put the bowl
Okay, so again, Betty needs to get the bowl. And then lastly, what did Betty forget to do?
B.
Okay, that's letter B. Correct. So that's all for our lesson tonight, Anne. And I'll see you again on Thursday. Okay. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Mhm.